Here we're going to find the value of cotangent 480 degrees. So I'm going to start by finding where it is on the unit circle so I know what the reference angle is. So drawing it out, I know first of all it's more than 360, which means I'm going to go all the way around once. So 480 minus 360 leaves me with 120 degrees left to go. So I'm going to go past 90 and I'm going to go 30 more degrees. So this part's 30, but remember that's not our reference angle. Our reference angle is always to the x-axis. So if that part's 30, this leftover part must be 60 degrees, since each quadrant's worth 90, making my reference angle 60 degrees. So I know when I have a 60-degree reference angle that I always have the point 1/2 root 3 over 2. And I also know that since I'm in the second quadrant, my cosine is the x, and so that's going to be negative. So now when I do my cotangent is actually cosine, which is my x, over sine, which is my y. So I'm going to use one of my identities. So cotangent of 480 is going to be cosine, negative 1/2, divided by sine, which is root 3 over 2. Now, if the division confuses us, let's rewrite it as a division problem. So negative 1/2 divided by root 3 over 2. But I know when I divide, I really multiply by the reciprocal. So I'm going to do 1/2 times 2 over root 3. I see there's a 2 on the top and the bottom, so I'm going to cancel those out, which leaves me with negative 1 over root 3. But of course, now we can't leave a square root on the denominator. So I'm going to rationalize by denominator by multiplying by square root 3. That gives me negative square root 3 over the square root of 9. But I know that the square root of 9 is actually just 3. So my final answer is going to be negative root 3 over 3. And I can't get it to right there, so I'm going to write over here. So negative root 3 over 3. There's my final answer.